Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app location tracking in HUAWEI MatePad T5. So in the first step, open the settings, then go to the apps and tap on the permissions. Now select your location. And as you can see, there you have all the apps with or without the localization permission, so you can manage all the apps in this place. Just tap on that anyway, and as you can see now, the Google Chrome don't have a location permission, and any app with the switcher on the active position, like eBay now, can track you. So just manage it in this place. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.